Hello student, welcome to Easy Chemistry. In this video, I am going to tell you some important IUPAC naming for board examination. Okay, let's start. And the first one is CH3COOH. The common name of CH3COOH is acetic acid. And we have to write the IUPAC name of acetic acid. Okay, so there are two carbon, so we have to write ETHAN and we have to remove the E of ethane and we have to add oic acid because functional group is this carboxylic acid. So the name becomes ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, right? Ethanoic acid because two carbons are there and the functional group is carboxylic acid, COOH. So the name is ethanoic acid. Okay. Now move on the second one. The formula is CH3CH2OH. This functional group we can recognize this group. The functional group is OH and we have to use for OH all suffix. The two carbons are there. So we have to write ETHAN and we have to remove the E of that ethane and we have to add ethanol all. You can write ethanol 1 or ethanol is also right. Or you can write ethane 1 all like this also. Okay, so the name becomes ethanol. Now move on the third one. There is a triple bond in between carbon and carbon. It means it is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, we are adding the suffix "ine" for triple bond. There are 3 carbon. So we have to write pro for 3 carbon and we have to add ine, propine, right? Propine 1 or propine is correct. We have to give number and the least number for this triple bond, right? So propine. Now CH3CH2Br. Br is a halogen. So we have to name like this haloalkane. Because there are bromo is there, so we have to write bromo and number of carbon is there. How many carbons are there? 2. So bromoethane. The name is bromoethane. The name becomes bromoethane. Now move on the fifth one. Here 2 functional group are present. First is carboxylic group and the second one is OH group. So we have to give preference of carboxylic acid. We have to give numbering starting from the carboxylic group and 1, 2, 3 like this number. OH, we have to use prefix of this OH and the prefix of this OH is hydroxy. So we can write 2-hydroxy. Why we are using hydroxy? Because senior most group is present here. That is carboxylic group. Then we have to use the prefix of OH. 2-hydroxy and there are 3 carbons are present. So 2-hydroxy. For 3 carbon we have to add propanoic acid. We have to remove E of propane and we have to add oic acid. 3-hydroxy propanoic acid. Okay. The longest continuous carbon chain is of 3 carbon and there are 2 functional groups are present. So we have to give preference of the senior most group, that is carboxylic group. We have to use the prefix of OH group. The prefix of OH group is hydroxy and the OH is attached with second number of carbon. That's why the name becomes 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. Got it? Now let's move on the second one. There is CH3COCH3. Common name of CH3COCH3 is acetone. This is a ketonic group present in it. Okay. The structure is like that. For ketonic group, we have to use "one" in suffix. So there are 3 carbon. So the name becomes propanone. PAN, we have to remove the E of propane and we have to add "one", propanone. And the propanone or we can say propanone 2 or simple propanone. Both are correct. Propanone 2 or propanone, right? So these are the 6. First one is ethanoic acid, ethanol, propyne, bromoethane, 2-hydroxypropanoic acid and propanone. Now next one aldehyde group. We have to take the example. The 7th one, HCHO. Common name is formaldehyde. And the IUPAC name in aldehyde, we have to add suffix in -al. Because there are only one carbon is present, so we can write METHA, and methane, we have to remove the E of methane and we have to add L, methanol. Right? The name becomes methanol. Okay. Let's take the another example. Suppose the structure is like this. Okay. First, we have to choose the longest continuous carbon chain. The longest continuous carbon chain is 1, 2, 3. No, the longest continuous carbon chain is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one. But in this chain, we have to pay attention about the side chain is get lowest numbering. Okay. According to lowest sum rule. So the numbering become 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon are there. So we have, because all bonds are single bond. So we can use ane, alkanes. And there are 2Cl. For 2Cl we have to use di. And the position of the 2Cl is second position. So the name becomes 2, 2 dash. After the number we have to write dash 2, 2 dichloro. Dichloro. Our number of carbon present is 4. The 4 carbon chain is there. That's why we have to use 2 dichloro and butane. Because single bond is present. It's like this. Okay. This was the 8th one. Now move on the next. I am taking suppose that we have to write the name of this organic compound. So we have to start numbering from this, and longest continuous carbon chain is 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3 you can say. Okay. Now we have to use chloro for this and methyl for this. Now we have to give the name of Cl and methyl according to alphabetical order. So in alphabetical order, C came first and M after that. Okay, so we can write 2-chloro, 2-chloro. First we have to write 2-chloro, and after that the position of this 3 group is also 2. So we can write 2-chloro, 2-methyl, and number of carbon is 3. So we have to write 2-chloro, 2-methyl propanoic acid, right? 2-chloro, 2-methyl, and the 3 carbon chain is there, and the functional group is carboxylic acid, 2-chloro, 2-methyl propanoic acid, right? One more example I am going to take. Okay. We have to give number of this hydrocarbon, right? So longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4. No. When ethyl group is present, we have to open this ethyl group just like this. CH2, CH3. Now, choose the longest continuous carbon chain. And the longest continuous carbon chain is 1, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to give minimum number of this methyl group, right? So there are 5 continuous carbon chain. So name becomes 3-methyl, 3-methyl, and 5 carbon is 3-methyl pentane. Okay, got it? Okay. These are the important IUPAC naming. In next video, we will discuss about the important question of board examination. Right? That's all from my side. Thank you.